Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So some people were asking me about a cold start on my car, and I made a video a while back about muffler delete and everything. I got that done to the car. So here it is. You can see it's a tiny bit cold. There's some frost in the car and everything. So let's go ahead and give you guys a cold start. I'm not exactly sure if this camera picked it up that well because the microphone is mounted on top of the camera, but I tried to get it as best as possible. Alright, so this is it as at idle as well as you can hear it. Hopefully the mic is picking up. I don't know. I might do some editing and like clip it out so you can actually hear what the car sounds like, because microphones do not pick up exhaust noise that well. So we're going to do a little bit of a pull for people. So here we go. Early in the morning. Ready? Hopefully this picks it up very well. So that's right there. That's a pull. And yeah. So it's not, the car's not fully warmed up. It sounds a lot different when it's fully warmed up. Sounds a lot better underneath driving and load and everything. So there is that, but we're gonna go do a rev if we can. So I'll see you guys when I get to spot in a second. Okay, back again. Spot number 1 was a bus. There was a cop there, and here we are at spot number 2. It's just literally basically out in the woods essentially. There's nobody. There's nothing near here. It's next to a main road, but other than that, it's just pure country. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the camera, sit outside, do a little bit of revs, and keep in mind this is not the final result of my exhaust. There is something going on with my car currently. I do believe it is possibly a clogged catalytic converter or a catalytic converter that went bad. I had a snowstorm that came through recently, and then when I drove the car, a piece of ice hit underneath my car, and I thought it was fine. It turns out it may or may not have hit my one of my catalytic converters. So the car definitely does not sound as it did before, being that loud. So I gotta get that fixed. But in the meantime, here's a rev for you guys. Give me 1 second to go ahead, get you guys outside the car, everything's set up. So here we go. There you guys go. So that is it with a muffler delete. Again, it doesn't sound 100% like it's supposed to. It's supposed to be a bit more deep, but there is an issue with one of my catalytic converters. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.